Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to fix KSign unable to install and verify on iOS 18. So there will be a step-by-step guide for this one. Step 1, of course, check your internet connection. So ensure that your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. I really advise a strong Wi-Fi for this one because it's a bit harsh on the internet. It really needs a connection. Moreover, enable Trust and Developer Profile, open the settings, navigate in General, and VPN device management. Take note guys, every external application uploaded to your device would go through VPN and device management. Now, under the Enterprise application, tap the developer name. Tap Trust, the developer name of course, and confirm by tapping Trust again in the pop-up. Now, reinstall KSign. Now, delete KSign from your device, re-download it from a trusted source, install it and repeat step 2 to trust the profile again. Now I want to highlight this one. Re-download it from a trusted source. I'm going to teach you how to check if it's trusted or not. So for example, in this one, I'm going to type in here KSign. So there will be a lot, like really a lot of links to download this one. I'm just going to copy one and I'm using NordVPN link checker to check any other link. If it's malicious, it's going to be not safe for your device. And as you can see right here, it says it's safe. No, it's just not only a link checker, but also a file checker. Alright? Going back on the document, step 4 is ensure date and time are set automatically. So go to Settings, General, and Date and Time. Enable set automatically. Step 5 is what will be disable low power mode. Go to Settings, Battery, and toggle off the low power mode. Restart your iPhone by holding the side button and either volume up or down button. This is what they call a forced safe restart. So basically do this and you'll be good to go. And then use an alternative signing tool if needed only. So consider tools using like AltStore, SideLoadly, and TrollStore. Step 8. Wait and try again later. Apple servers may be temporarily preventing certificate verification. This is why you need a strong Wi-Fi connection. If the problem still persists, wait for a few hours and attempt to verify again. Alright? Just a quick note guys. Fixing the KSign installation and forgiving issue on iOS 18 involves checking your network, trusting the developer profile and ensuring system are optimized. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.